Hello, and thank you for your interest in this lesson titled "What was the international response to the Abyssinian Crisis and why was it so weak?" This fully resourced lesson begins with a starter activity in which students are invited to play a game of Play Your Cards Right to test chronological understanding of some of the key reasons for the invasion. The title is then introduced along with graduated criteria: all will, most will, some will. There then follows some slides of teacher exposition on what actually happened, as well as the international response, stroke consequences, and students are given a template, a newspaper template with headings which match the 8 points discussed in the PowerPoint, on which to jot down key names, dates, people, places, events, quotations, and statistics. When they have achieved this, they then write up their own newspaper, and you can give them the editable PowerPoint template or just print it off. A completed example is given, and students are brought back to the criteria to show progress made. Areas or subheadings which will have been covered include: what was the Wow Wow incident, the full-on invasion and weapons on both sides, the nature of the fighting, the Emperor of Abyssinia, facts and figures, the speech at the League of Nations, the international response, and consequences. And there is then a charades plenary for students to recap the knowledge of key vocabulary covered in the lesson, and this also works as a game of Pictionary. I hope your students get as much out of this lesson as mine always do.